Hey guys, I was at Costco today. Looks like they have a new Power Wheels Jeep Hurricane Extreme Ride-On sale for $349. There's other similar ones online. I'll leave a few links below. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for the SterlingW channel. It really helps the algorithm for my channel, as well as I do a lot of Costco finds because I go to Costco pretty much every other day or at least once or twice a week. Anyways, this is a new color for the Jeep Hurricane Ride-On. Apparently, last year I think it was a different color. I think it was actually a camouflage color. But anyways, 12 votes, and it's a we have two-seater, as well as it goes up to 5 miles per hour, and it's meant for 3-year-olds to 7-year-olds, and the max weight for this is 130 pounds. So pretty interesting replica of realistic replica of the Jeep. Pretty neat in terms of the overall size and stuff. It's about 90 inches by 161 inches. Has tires to go over, hard surfaces, grass surfaces, and probably rugs and stuff as well, rough terrain. High-speed lockout for beginners, power lock brakes, roomy front seats. There's 2 seats in this thing. It's a Jeep Hurricane Extreme. Again, it's right on for 3 to 7-year-olds. There is a 1-year warranty, which is pretty cool, and it is a Fisher Price product, which is neat too. Looking at the details of it, it looks very, very rugged. In fact, here are some more photos of it. So if you want to pause the video and go back, be my guest. There is a storage areas for this Jeep. I do like how they detailed out the suspension and stuff, even though there's no real major suspensions in there. But it looks pretty cool. I do love the new orange over like the other camouflage and other stuff. But I guess it's a lot more visible, especially if you're riding around the neighborhood or in the front yard or at a park. Anyways, thanks for subscribing, guys, and of course thanks to 11,000 subscribers out there for the SterlingW channel. Like, subscribe, leave some comments below, as well as hit that bell button. Like I said, I post a lot of Costco finds because I go to Costco pretty often. If there's something new at Costco, I usually try to post it, especially things I haven't seen before, as well as pretty much I do comparison tests as reviews of other fun products too as I buy it, and of course updates reviews too, like air fryers. I bought one 3 years ago, bought a new one this year, so I do a review on it, and other fun reviews. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys.